Welcome. In this video I will present you the face unlock test on the Samsung Galaxy S21. We will do 10 tries and check if the phone recognizes my face quickly each time. So just to show you that it is really S21, just take a look on the back cover and let's start. So I'm sitting in the same position. I try to don't move and just let's go. As you can see, it's very fast. Okay, and the last time. So as you can see, it works quickly and it's very precision. So yeah, that's how face unlock works on the Samsung Galaxy S21. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!